The legislature just ended the 2020 session last month, but they're going right back into another one to deal with COVID-19.
Never, I think, in my lifetime have I experienced such a more critical time, both health-wise and economically.
The Utah State Legislature is expected to go into a special session at the end of this month. The pandemic is affecting every aspect of the state, from health to economics. Sharply rising unemployment is impacting the state immediately.
We know this will end. We know that we'll get back to life as usual at some point. We want to make sure that there are jobs for all those individuals to come back to.
In the final days of the legislature, as COVID-19 was ramping up, money was set aside to respond to the emergency.
We appropriated that $24 million at the end of the last session. I think by and large that has all been used primarily for healthcare and equipment.
But they're going to have to find more money. Utah is getting about $700 million from the feds in relief packages. There's talk of moving some money around.
One area we can shift funds, maybe an area if we don't need to build a building, maybe we won't.
We talked about rainy day money. We really haven't talked about monsoon money, but we're kind of in a monsoon. But we have planned, and now we're implementing those plans. And our concern is that hopefully we've backstopped it well enough.
There's a lot of other topics on lawmakers' lists, including how to handle the upcoming primary election and possible online voting, expanding unemployment benefits for those now furloughed, and maybe expanding sick leave for workers. Bills could be dealing with education now that schools have been canceled, even an idea to criminalize intentionally spreading a virus like COVID-19, and potential cybersecurity measures and infrastructure legislation as more people are forced to work from home.
It doesn't matter what party, we're all working together and everybody has the same goal.
It may also be a session where lawmakers are not physically in the Capitol. A bill was passed allowing them to meet virtually in an emergency.
This will be a special session unlike any in the state's history.
The governor says a special session is likely by the end of this month. The House Speaker says it's possible they have several to deal with the coronavirus pandemic. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.